Hey, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made this smiley face graphic t-shirt. So let's get right into it. This is my t-shirt I have laid out here, and so I have my my Cricut machine here. So what I'm going to do is for 5 seconds I'm just going to iron the area to prep it and take out any steam that may be in there or any moisture. So now I'm going to take my first layer and I'm going to add it to my shirt, and you want to make sure that it's even on both sides and that it's centered. So I'm actually following this P. I'm centering mine with the P, or if you like you can also fold the shirt and then create a crease in the middle. So I would like mine there about 1 inch from here. So now I'm going to go in with my machine. And I'm going to stop after 20 seconds. So now I'm going to allow this to cool before I peel it away. Okay, so now this had a chance to cool off for a few seconds, so now I'm going to peel. Okay. So now I'm going to go and add my second layer. So I want the outline of the black, okay, to give it that 3D effect. So now I'm going to make sure everything is fully covered. So again, I'm only going to do this for about 15 seconds. Let this cool off and then it will peel.